So there's a noise that is coming from this area of the truck. This is a 2008 F-150, and it usually happens when I'm going about 70 miles an hour. It almost sounds like something's flapping, like a piece of plastic is flapping, or there's even air that's coming in. I'm just wanting to know if there's anybody out there who knows what I'm talking about. And I don't know if you can hear it. It just kicked in right now. But I'm thinking it may be a part that's missing outside in this area. It's the end, it's like an end piece of the, I guess, all outside along where the windshield wipers are at. This is the end. There's an end piece, the crowl, the crawling, I believe, and it's missing out there in the corner. But so is the one on the passenger side. But I don't hear anything on the passenger side. I hear the noise coming in from this side right here. So if any of y'all know exactly what it is that I'm talking about, and if there's a solution to fix it, please let me know. I know I'm not the only one that has this issue, and I'm sure somebody's found the issue out there.